Time now 6:37. We do want to check your Friday morning commute with Mike.
Good morning, folks. For the most part, freeways are looking at Friday light, and that's great news. But tomorrow, and then of course come Monday, we'll have some issues at the Transbay Terminal. Right now, we'll continue with the South Bay, where traffic flows nicely, and just your traditional slowing between 680 and 880 going on in San Jose. Also, Highway 87, a little slowing there. And then this evening, outdoor concert at Shoreline, Toby Keith and Trace Adkins. So there's going to be a honky-tonk, Badonkadonk over there. Expect some slowing. Back to you guys.
I think one of our nannies is planning on going to that. Pretty fun.
Really?
Something's getting a lot of laughs in our newsroom back there.
Yeah, they appreciate Mike's rendition.
You got to follow that up. It's all yours.
Let's